Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add invoice in ImmiSys. To add an invoice, firstly, you need to find the case. You need to find the case where you want to add invoice. Go to Start, Cases. All right. So you can search here, find the case you want. In this case, I want to select this one. I want to open this case. All right. And once you open the case, you go to the tab Invoices. All right. From here, on the right-hand side, there's Action button. The three choices here, the Add Invoice means add invoice from scratch, add invoice from templates, or add invoice from a quotation. Okay. Let's start from the first one. Add invoice. Click that. Okay, and here you can see there's add billing items. You click that, add billing items. For example, this one, Visa service fee. Okay, there's this one, let's say a month, let's say $350. And let's say tax code GST. Let's say Visa. You can put in anything you like here. Visa lodgement service, whatever. Click save. So add another billing items. You can, let's say Visa application fee. Let's say $560. It's not taxable. Be payable to the immigration department. Click save. All right. Once you can keep adding billing items here. Once you finish it, click here, save. Now you have a invoice number here, and you got an invoice. If you want to have a look at what it looks like, you can click here, generate PDF. Click that. It will print into PDF. Opening up. This is your logo, your letterhead. This is what your invoice looks like. You got an invoice number, case number, everything. Okay. So this is how you do how you add an invoice. And here, mail PDF. This button allows you to email a copy of this invoice to your clients. Click that mail PDF. It will automatically generate an email and generate an email and with this invoice as an attachments. Okay, so you click send, and this invoice will be sent out to your client. Okay, so here, if you believe you can, and you can use this format again, and you can save it as a template. You can click here, save as email, invoice template. Click save as. Just give it a name. Invoice for 485, for example. Click save. Okay, so this is will be a template. So next time you can reuse it. Okay. Right. Now, once you have created invoice, and the client has paid, after receiving the payment in your bank, you can issue receipts. You can click this button, receive payments. Click that. All right, so this is payment method, bank transfer, select bank account. Let's say this is client's account, pay money. Let's say you received $150. Click save. And from here, it generates a receipt. There's a receipt number here. And then from here, you can, same thing, you can generate a PDF, you can print out your receipt or mail PDF, you can email a copy of the receipt to your client. Okay. Now we go back to that invoice. Okay, here's the invoice. Now let's go back to the case. Yeah, by the way, if you find made a mistake, you can edit the line items here. Click that. You can edit the line items. Okay. Let's go back to the case. Go to invoices. And this is the invoice you have just created. And by the way, all the invoice you have created will appear here on this screen, invoices. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. So this is all the invoices here, okay? And you can manage them by going through their status, payment status, fully paid, overdue, and yeah, so you can check by status, pending, overdue, in credit, void. Okay, you can filter them by the status. You can look at it. I want to have a look at all the invoices overdue. Click here, click OK. So you can see all the overdue invoices. Okay. Now, remember I told you there are three ways of adding invoice. You can add invoice from templates. Remember, we just created templates a few minutes ago. Adding invoice from templates is very easy. Just click that. Select the templates. For example, I use this one, input 485, I generate invoice. So just this way, this is already populated for you. Okay, all you need to do is to add, save it. Okay, now you have generated an invoice by using a template. Now go to invoices templates, go to invoices tab again. Here, there's another option here called invoice from quotation. All right. If this case is converted from an opportunity, if this case is converted from an opportunity and that opportunity has a quotation, and what you can do, you can add invoice from quotation. Let's click that. Okay. That's two quotations. Let's select the first one. Okay, here is the quotation, all right? The different parts of the quotation, service fee, disbursements, and installments, okay? So for example, if you want to send an invoice to the client for Australian Federal Police check, so And you can say the first installment of the service fee, click that. All you need to do is click invoice selected items. Click that. So instead of you manually typing everything again, so you can quickly create an invoice from the quotation. And again, it only works if this case you're currently working on is converted from another opportunity, and that opportunity has already has a quotation in it. All right, so here's what you need to know about invoices and receipts.